So, students, listen to me, understand. Listen to me attentively and try to understand it, because today we are going to play this probably a very modern activity, that is the jump and speak activity. What is it? So keep in mind, very first I'm going to tell you that the topic is today, who am I and what's my value? Alright? Our ideas are clicking in your mind. Are you ready for it? Who am I and what's my value? Listen to me, how you have to just only wait, and you have to keep on speaking and just only watching attentively at this ball. Right? To whom will I send the ball? The party will speak. Alright? And just only, not only you not only have to speak, but keep in mind you have to speak in a foreign tone, and a British accent, an American accent, in your favorite accent, and you have to speak that very smoothly, right? So let's start. And very first, this opportunity goes to Miss Pratigya. Alright, take it please. Give it now. Start now, come on. Boldly.
Well, here is Pratigya Singh standing before you all, and here is Pratigya Singh, and today I present the topic, who am I? I am a girl, I am a student, I am an Indian. And firstly I said that
Pratigya, ऐसा लग रहा है इसलिए आप पता है मन में गाना गा रही हो. What is this boldly?
Yes, sir.
Stand here, say, here is Pratigya. Today I will tell you who am I and what's my value. Say out. Speak.
here is Pratigya, and today I tell you who am I and what's my value. I am a girl, I am a student, I am an Indian. I do anything in our family. It doesn't matter what people say, it doesn't matter what people think, it matters what my parents think for me. And I do many things in our life, and many people support me. I listen, I can dance, I will speak English fluently. Because I am a friend of Navika. I am a student of Kinjal.
Oh no.
No, sir, Rajneesh, sir. Sir,
all right. So please look at me, listen to me. Okay, right? Listen to me. When I tap, it means I'm going to throw the ball. So please be attentive, right? So now I'm tapping. Catch it. Mr. Prince. Mr. Prince, you know that he is the big fan of Amitabh Bachchan. And there is a dialogue, आज भी मैं ठीक में पैसे नहीं उठाता हूँ, लेकिन बहुत कैसे उठा लेगा, you know ना, where the mic is, start now, please. Are you ready? Start now, please. Give a very boldly expressions.
So,
Very boldly.
good afternoon, sir, and all of you has been standing before you all. So today I'm going to tell you that who am I, and first of all I would like to tell you that it doesn't mean to give you introduction personally. I would like to tell you that my life is my personal life, and in my life I'm a boy, I'm a brother of someone's, and I'm the son of my father and my mother. So I would like to tell you that in my family, in my society, who am I? I'm like a boy who has many responsibilities, not now. When we will become a man, then we will have more responsibilities in our family. But we have to understand that why the responsibilities are becoming bigger and bigger. What's the problem? The problem is about interrupting, you are having trouble, that's why.
Take it fast. Aditi is clearing. How can I speak for my God? With the mic, take it up, please. Catch it, please. Carry on. Fast.
So, who am I? I am a
30
human.
seconds.
I am a human, I am a girl, I am a daughter, I am a sister. So what's the value? I said nobody have the value in this world. We just make our value because we can do everything what we want. What the people say, we never care, we never listen because it's our life, it's our goal, not the others. If somebody interfere in your life, you said just shut up your mouth. The God gave you hand. That God gave you hand, just put on your finger on your mouth and go from here. Because it's my life, it's my rules. Who are you in my life to interfere my all things? It's always me. It's always me.
Can you go there while speaking? Go to that while speaking.
It's always me, it's always me.
It's always me, it's always me. What is this? Who are you? Who are you? Hey girl, who are you? Are you a girl? What is this? People speak sentence. Thank you so much. CJ girl. Carry on, give me hands. Come on. Get up, please, fast.
Hello everyone, today is Nagpaka standing before you all, and today I'm going to speak about my topic, and my topic is who am I? I'm the girl who believes in herself only. I'm the girl who curious about studies. I'm the girl who can do everything what the person cannot do. And I want to tell you that when it's come to show my vanity and when it's come to show my values, so my values will be judged by my marks and my values will be judged by my own knowledge. So it doesn't mean that I will be tell you to what is my values. So my values will be shown you in the future. So now it's not be there. So in future I will be show it. Thank you.
Flip. Oh my God, Kinjal has got it right. You stand on place. Thank you so much. Lalika has said that in the future I will be more valuable than gold. We will see. Alright, start now, please.
Hello everyone, well here is Kinjal is standing for you all. Today I am tell you about the who am I. I am a girl, I am a student of this coaching, I am a student of the Vidya Mandir Inter College, and I am a daughter of my parents. And if I talk about who am I, so I am a girl who believes in myself, and I am a dreamer. I am a girl who
Stand here. Speak.
who always thinks about the new things and creating new things. And if I talk about what is my value, so we are a student, so our value shows our results shows our value, our speaking skills, our talent, our result, our exam states, it shows our value. And if we are going anywhere and like relatives and everywhere, so firstly they asked us.
Slap.
Firstly,
Go now. While speaking,
they asked us that what's your result? So our result shows our value. We can say it.
Without value, there is nothing. If people see that we are potato, we can use any time, but we are not potato. We are tomato. Come on, catch this place.
So who am I? I'm the creature of a God, who made by the God, and who comes here to do the good works. A girl always a kind-hearted, a girl who humbles towards everyone. Whenever we think about, whenever we see the people, we always know that what we are going to do. So it's our work, it's our value to do something in our life. But what about our value? The value is gained by our knowledge, the value gained by our work, the value gained by our hard work, because the hard work is the key of the value. If you are thinking that something you are gaining and something that you are going to get it, that's called your value. And I just want to say that if we talk about the value, just I want to say that a stone in a wrong hand always a stone, and a stone in a right hand always a diamond. So it's depend on the place where you are. It depends on the hand in which hand you are. So if you're in a wrong hand, you always are valueless. But if you're in a right hand, it always be a diamond for you. So make sure you are surrounded with the positive people, and make sure you are in a right hand. So as far as I think that my value, I will show you in my future what I'm going to do and what I'm still doing. So it will take time for me.
Please people don't feel that because you said राशि है मैं कहती हूँ वो कहती है मैं आज भी फेंक के भी पैसे नहीं उठा रही हूँ तो माइक कैसे उठा लेगी वो प्लीज alright please take it come here come with me yes give them hey guys speak louder hey guys here is
Rashi
from Jhansi Rashi from Khaga
Rashi from
today I want to tell you
Today I am tell
come
you.
here today I want to tell you
Today I will tell you.
today I want to tell you
Today I will tell
who
you.
am I
Who am I?
I am a girl
I am a girl.
I am a human being
I am a human
but
being.
this is not my identification
But
this is not my identification
this is not
identification
Identifications.
this is not my identification
This is not identifications.
this is not
This is not
my identification
my identification,
because I will make my identification
I will make
come here I will tell you
and
people will remind me
and people and remind me
what is my identification
what did my
people will book
people will book
an appointment for me this will be my identification
This is not
this will be my This will be my identification.
This will be identifications.
Everybody,
Everybody,
every one of you,
every for you,
every one of you
every for you
has identification.
has identification.
But this is not identification.
But it is not identification.
Because
Because
identification
identifications
doesn't want any identification.
doesn't want identification.
People know you
People will know
because
you
of you.
because for you.
People know you
People know you
because of your works.
because for you work.
And people know you
And people know you
because of
the
the result of your work.
the result of
This
your
is your
work.
identification.
This is your identifications.
Thank you so much. Very well. Fine, fantastic. And now, Mr. Padma, please catch it. Who am I and what is your value? Start now, please.
So, here's Parnam is standing for you all, and so my topic is who am I? So I am a boy, and I am the children of my father and my mother. And if we talk about the
Children?
yes sir,
You are children.
sir
I am
my
child.
sir my father and my mother always see me like a children.
Child.
I said so it's child.
No problem. Yes.
Sorry sir.
Come on, carry on.
So if we talk about the community, they always say that you always playing cricket, you didn't study. So if they always demotivate you because they didn't want you to they didn't want you to see you as the top of the success, and they didn't want to see you as the means the sir, what is the meaning of Ubharta Sitara?
But the rising star.
Rising star, and they didn't want to take you serious. And after it you means we are boys, so they always say that they are boys, they cannot do something.
Asta, catch it now, please. Asta, Anamika, who can catch? Come to me, please. Mic, hold the mic now. Hold the mic. Start now, delivering. Who am I? What's my value? Start on, please.
Who am I? I am a girl. I am a student of Rajneesh sir. I am a daughter of my parents. And firstly I am a human being. Human being made by God, and God can never made useless thing. It means I am valuable. And I will show you my value.
Right. I am a human being.
I am a human being.
People say that
People say that
I have money.
I have
I have
money.
goal.
I have
target.
I have
This is my
target.
value.
This is my
This is
value.
my identification.
This is my identification. No.
Never.
Never.
Finger.
Never.
No. Never.
Never.
Not at all.
Not at all.
I am a human being.
I am a human being.
I have humanity.
I have
I
humanity.
can't see someone weeping.
I can't see someone weeping.
I can't see someone begging at the platform.
I can't see someone begging at the
I
platform.
can't see someone
I can't-
being hungry
I can't see someone being
because
hungry.
I am a human being.
Because I am a human being.
And my coaching mates
And my coaching mates.
and my coaching mates.
And my coaching
If
mates.
in future
If in future
I get opportunity,
I get
opportunity.
I get
I am
opportunity.
a successful person.
I was successful.
I will try to
person.
remove the problems
I will try to remove the problems
of such type of people.
of such type of
This is
people.
my value.
This is my value.
Well done, fantastic. And now the chance goes to Miss Spinach. Alright, Spinach never, still never. She doesn't know how to catch. Take the mic, please. Thank you so much. Here's now.
My topic is that who I am. So I want to tell you that I am the girl who has responsibility to my family. I am the girl who has their own value. I know now I cannot say that it's my value, but in future I will say. I will tell you that every people said that girl cannot do anything, but it's not so. Girls can do anything, everything, and it's not way. I want to tell you that what do you think about me? You think that I'm very emotional girl. I have nothing, but it's not so. I tried and everyone feelings it's my problem, but it's not my problem. If a person is like you are every person know that gold is very costly matter in every matter, but you have